if you have some tools you need to sharpen, whether it's a chattering tool or a pair of scissors or a fishing hook, these easy lap diamond hones are excellent for being able to sharpen something very quickly without a lot of expense. So if you are interested, go online and go to easylap.com. These are made in the United States. They're diamond impregnated material that seems to last quite a long time. So I'm going to secure this with a clamp so it holds it in place for me. So the first tool I'm going to sharpen would be a trimming tool. So with this secured, I can put some force on the tool by pushing with my finger. And you can see it's bringing up a nice shiny surface, and it's still not sharp at the edge. It slides on my fingernail. So I'll go again. Holding this at a 45-degree angle. Okay, where shine is coming down, and now it's starting to bite when I put it on my fingernail. So I've got that side done.